A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Hi, I'm back in Fort Lauderdale and wanted to give you a quick room tour of a different type of room at Hotel Dello in Fort Lauderdale. So this, I don't know if you would call it a suite, but it's a little different than the ones I normally stay at. So let's take a look. When you walk into the room, you have a closet and an ironing board. And the difference that I see in this room, rather than the hospitality station that you had in the other ones, you have a little kitchen area with a sink and a coffee maker, and the safe is in this upper cabinet. And then down below, you have your small mini fridge. The good thing about this hotel, the rooms are so large. This is the restroom. It's kind of small, just your average shower. Nothing major. Again, they have the Lockwood body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in the shower. And then over here you have the lotion and also the soap. And then there's the vanity mirror, and I think there's a hairdryer down below. And again, what I like about these rooms is the space that you have. The rooms are just so large. You have the vanity on each side of the bed with the charging stations. You have 2 USBs and 2 standard outlets. There's an alarm clock and a lamp. And then there's a mirror. And then there's this little storage area and a large desk. Today my room faces, I don't know what street that is, but I'm on the opposite side of the building than I was before. So I have a great view of the air conditioning units, but it's okay. The windows are large and it's letting some sun in. It's rather cold here in Fort Lauderdale today. And there's a sleeper sofa over here and a little side table. Again, the other vanity, and it does have the 2 standard plugs and the 2 USBs and the telephone. And they do have the waters. If you're diamond, gold, or silver, you get 2 free bottles. I've already opened one of mine. And then they have the large TV up here. And if you are a member of the loyalty program, they do give you dining credits, which is nice too. You can use that for food or beverages at either their grab and go downstairs, or they do have a restaurant with breakfast, and it opens in the evening for dinner at 5 p.m. and the prices seem very reasonable. So that's about it from Hotel Dello. Just wanted to share this quick tour with you. More to come. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to put more content out there. And thanks for watching.